Welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you our premium quality steel windows designed for strength, style, and long-lasting performance. These windows are crafted from high-grade steel, which makes them extremely durable and resistant to weather. Notice the smooth finishes and clean welding. Every detail is carefully done to ensure a sleek, modern. They come fully fitted with high-quality hinges and locking systems, ensuring both functionality and security. We have a range of styles and sizes available, and we also offer custom options to perfectly match your building's design. Whether you're building new or upgrading, these steel windows offer the perfect combination of durability, beauty, and low maintenance. If you're interested or have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.